Hi guys, I'm doing a 24-hour challenge, and it starts now. The video is not going to be 24 hours, don't worry. It's only going to be like 10 minutes, but it's going to actually be, but I'm going to actually be in here for 20 hours, for 24 hours. Well, I am bored. I want to put you up there, but it's going to probably unpause the video because I've had it happen before. So, I'm not going to do that. Ooh, we just got a delivery. Billy. Of course he's hanging up there. You guys got to put him up there? Really? Are you serious? I think I'm going to have you guys stare up there forever. What should I do? I don't even know what to do. Ba 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 la da 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 da. It's just you and me in here. And there's nothing to do. As you can tell, it's getting darker. It is hot in here. Grab my fan. Let me find my fan. Okay, I found it after like 5 seconds. Let's see, can we make a song? There once was a ship that put to sea. No, I already know that song. Standing in the dark, you and me beside me. Standing with my heart, with nothing. Just you and me and here. They can't what no more? Actually, I'm gonna continue with that song. It's my first night out with you. No. Oh, I'm gonna sing one of my favorite songs. No, I don't actually want to. It's just you and me together forever, sitting in a nasty. No. I think that I must say, there was a time when I was alone, nowhere to go and no place to call home. My only friend was the. I don't think I should have made this video, but at the same time, I did. Ooh, what if I can call my dogs? Move out of the way, Billy. You're nothing compared to my lovelies. Puppies! Tank, Frank, Tank, Tonka. Let's see if she comes. Oh, I can see her. Tank, come here, Tonka. Baby girl. Tank. Tank. Lola. Come here, Lola. Frankie. I give up. I'm hungry. And we got some snacks, so I might as well eat some. I'll eat some celery. Yes, we got somebody. Come here, Frankie. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, Frank. Come. No. Now I decided I also want some gummies. These are the color of a YouTuber I watch a lot. Merch called Fire Merch. I don't help him, but I think you should really go get some Fire Merch from Preston Plays. I don't even care if I don't even know him in real life, but you should try it. Cheers. Ew, those taste old. I'm gonna take a nap right now. I ended my whole nap. Oh, we got a delivery. We got a pillow. You guys probably noticed me taking a nap. I'm gonna take another one. It's already been 6 minutes. I don't really care. I'm still recording. Well done. First night out with you, play with me. Had me in plastic. Oh, don't you know I love Christmas time? Running plastic. Oh, don't you forget it. What do you do to me? I don't even know what I'm doing. It's been 2 hours and I've been waiting here. That means we're 10 hours in. We got this.
This lecture series, goals. Not like when you're, asleep and you're stuck in the bottom of the swimming pool and your fucking teeth keep falling out of your head. That fucking tattoo of a bulldog on your mouth.
When I wake up, I never smile.
I'm in this lecture and it's called A Day Tomorrow Began. Right? It's all about these breakthroughs in science and fucking culture and whatever. And actually about how they're all learned from people.
Our pillow stinks.
Crazy fucking shit. You figure out how to measure how long someone's been dead by counting the remaining permanent.
We got a package.
Who the fuck thinks of that? Right? Another one?
Oopsies.
That's right. University of fucking Chicago. Inspiring
Can we turn a flashlight on in here?
You know how batshit crazy they sound? Trust me,
I don't think we can. I'm gonna take another nap.
positively fucking idiotic, alright? But you can make an interest.
I changed my mind. I'm too energy. Let's see how dark it is if we come under here. I need a light. It's too dark in here. If you want, you can turn your phone sideways. You don't have to. But we. Oh my gosh, you trapped him up there. Oh, here. Lick it.
So look, there's some other info. Part to you is this match is zero resentment for it. Too much. So worse than that? Depends. Can't wait. Your mom wants you to call her. That's the baby. Where'd you see it?
It's just you and me in here.
You've been fucking avoiding it, have you? I hope that was so right. Only one way to make that happen. What's that? Run away the fucking.
Well, good thing is, it's almost bedtime. But another bad thing is that we're not in pajamas, and all we have is this. A small? Okay, I guess, because I'm used to sleeping small lately. Company? No. And last of all, light in the morning? No. So, looks like we're gonna be stuck in a pitch black place until the sun rises. Get comfy in here. I feel like I'm in prison. And I'm like, let me out of here. Help me. I'm in prison. I don't even know what to do. At this point, nothing is fun. Nothing. Wait, the cage just opened. I know you didn't hear that, but the cage just opened, and we got a package. Or did we already have this? I don't know, but I found pencil and paper in here. I don't know if we already had this or if we just got it, but we have pencil and paper. Wait. Okay, wait. Can I put you guys there? Yeah, no. Okay. I'm gonna draw something. Don't listen to the background. I can't think. I drew something. But it's a clown. Why is my paper whipping? What's whipping? It's wet under here? Oh my gosh. Get the paper out of here. Get it out. I'll pick it up later. I'll pick it up when I want it. I'm getting this paper out. It's almost time. We have, I don't know how much longer. And I don't have a camera, guys, so I'm doing this by hand. A phone. Yeah. So don't judge me.
Every single day. Can I try it? Yes. It's really good.
I am gonna put this blanket down since it's now wet everywhere. Yeah, I don't want Billy to get wet, so I put him up here.
I'll get like flashes of it.
Dang it. I'm trying to get Billy non-wet.
When I was in Copenhagen, I tried this pumpkin dish that they like smoke and bring it over the plate.
Like a pot?
Yeah, exactly. We have this cauliflower that's like really rich. So if you took horseradish and smoked it,
And what if like
Okay, we got it done.
mash, puree,
thank you, chef?
Okay, I'm putting this thing down. It's like I'm putting my foot down for a dinner. No. Oh, I have enough. I have enough where I can still use the blanket. Let's go. I don't know if this is on a wet floor. And I have enough blanket. I think we have like about an hour left. But it is really dark in here. Ready? Boom, 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 boom. I told you it gets dark here. And these people are still awake. I think I might take a nap. Oh, no. Wait. Maybe we don't have enough, but we do at the same time. If I flip my pillow like that, like that, and then, let's see, what time is it? It's already 8 o'clock. Oh my gosh. I'm surprised. Ew. Okay. So. Okay, we had enough. Oh. You can come down here. And then we still have you and you. I'm gonna get a door for it. Well, we had a flood in here. Well, good night, guys. I'm gonna go to bed. I think we've almost completed the challenge. Let's see. It's 7 a.m. I'm guessing we're about to complete the challenge. I'm guessing we're really close. Okay, well, my actions are unbeautiful. Now look at me. Okay, well, it's hot in here. I'm in shorts. Ugh. We have been here in almost 24 hours. And I feel like I want to give up now, but I can't.
Did you know there's a way to cut your dishwashing time by 50%? Try Dawn Power Wash Dish Spray. It removes 99% of grease and grime in half the time. Dawn Power Wash has 3 cleaning boosters not found in traditional dish.
We're almost about to complete it. We're about to complete the challenge. We have 1 more minute. Well, not even. Now we only have 30 seconds. And then we're done with the challenge.
Try Dawn Power Wash Dish Spray.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. And my phone's about to die too. Oh my god. 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 In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.